do you guys think?
It's good.
Holy shit.
I like the Arizona side more.
Like my thing. I was scared for you.
Oh my god,
I
dude.
get
What
that,
is,
bro.
dude? I
She's
can't do
scaring
this.
me.
I'm not gonna fall.
Yeah, you gotta get a video of us getting
Okay, let me just stand. Let me say that I did this. Okay.
Holy shit.
Woo!
Oh,
shit.
Get a video of us doing the
Bro.
horn thing with the next semi.
Oh my god.
Alright,
Michael.
Dude, you guys are nuts.
let's do it.
I mean, I really honestly,
Come on. Come on, the truck will do it.
Damn it.
What are you doing? You can't hit your horn?
I'd love to hit my horse. What?
Fucking idiot. Where's the semi at? We can get him.
Double up.
Fucking do the RV. Bro, what's
So
why
lame.
are they not hitting their horn? The other trucks are doing it every time. Alright, here we go. Semi stuff.
Here's our guy.
Here, get in here, get in here. Do it!
What am I doing?
We're all doing it. We gotta get him done.
Do it now, do it now.
3, 2, 1.
Holy fuck, dude.
Yeah, that's what we're planning on doing after. How did you keep
This is
going?
not it. This is not it.
Oh, yeah, it's not.
You scared of heights?
You can actually walk on that.
No, I'm fine.
Oh.
I just like this side.
What's the view angle over
Yeah.
here?
It's nice,
Ah,
right?
yes.
Yeah.
Very
Nice.
nice.
Nice,
Yeah.
nice, right?
Yeah.
Start
You
waving
guys see what I saw now?
No,
Yeah.
it's just a solid view over there.
Right there.
I see why you're so.
Yeah. Yeah. Face my fears while everyone stands away. I did it. We're good. We're good.
Strip. There's no.
I need you to
There's no
bubble it
elevation
all
on
the
the
way
strip.
down.
If you make it, we'll probably try to do it.
Probably?
Probably. No guarantee.
I'll survive. I'm down. You just gotta go first.
Crazy how
Alright, this is better.
how big it is still. If you know where the water was, it was like right up here.
Oh, really?
It would have been like fucking right around here. Just look at
Really?
the line.
Oh, what happened?
Oh, it's not fucking drained. No, this is not. No, this is not like a summer thing.
What?
It's
They
like
just
permanent.
drained
It's
it?
like permanent like this. Yeah. There's not enough water coming in. I don't know. Vegas is probably taking it.
We're both feeling the same exactly. I love it.
I hope people enjoy this stuff.
I mean, I don't mind it.
I think there's no way I'm getting sure.
Michael, ready?
Yeah.
We won't go back. We'll
Okay,
just stand
okay,
here.
okay.
Jeez. You're one of the bravest people I know.
Yeah, I agree.
That I will give you.
I agree.
And you're in the military or work? That's crazy.
Me and Chris both. Yeah, but we wouldn't do this. But we'd do it if we were forced to. We wouldn't willingly do it.
That looks a little sketch when you look down like that.
Yeah. Let me look at it.
That definitely hurt.
Yeah, at least you'll slide them.
I mean, I'd rather fall from that side.
We're talking about falling from.
No, please.
Please don't talk about falling.
Then you'll.
Oh my god, bro.
She said if I had to pick a side that I fall
If I had
from,
to pick
I'd
a side
choose
to
the
fall.
I mean,
Oh, wow. I thought this was gonna be a
no,
less
but like if you had to
If
pick,
you had to, you right
well,
here.
yeah, right?
Yeah. I mean, it makes most sense.
Which is dumb because it's thicker here than there.
Yeah.
That's right.
He's like, I gotta hold on over here.
Look
Okay,
at that slide.
Everyone back away, please.
Yep, go back up, go back up.
Oh, okay. I did it, okay?
You did it?
I did it. We're done.
Proud of you.
Thanks.
Good job.
You got it, man.
Dude, I turn, you're like, no. And I turn around, she's up
She's
on
sitting
the
there. I'm
fucking
like,
thing.
fuck
I'm like,
no.
bro.
Hell no.
Fuck
It's
this.
like you're sitting on a bench.
Yeah,
Yeah, just
yeah.
a very different kind of bench.
Dude, holy shit.
A bench I would never want to sit on.
So there's this dinner place where like
Uh-huh.
you literally dangle in the air. Do
Really?
you want to go?
No, no,
Dubai?
nope.
I don't know where it is.
I think
Nope.
I think you're talking about Dubai.
Isn't there one in New York? I think that
I
has
think
that.
Yes, there is. Dubai one is way scary.
In Vegas, there's dinner in the sky, but it's an actual like restaurant. It's just like a nice view or something.
Everyone's going.
Okay. We got the shot, so I can look it up on YouTube. Okay. No. Let me at least hold the rope so we can like be sure, you know?
Make sure you won't